Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you for stopping by my channel. Now today I wanted to talk with you guys about a topic that has been bothering me for quite some time. There has been many times where I have visited a customer's home, whether I'm on a food delivery or a grocery delivery platform, and they have children. I grew up kind of strict. I would never be allowed to, even as a child, come out where there's people in like a slip or just undergarments or even my pajamas. If I were to even come out in like my Sunday slip, and I'm not just talking about just the bottom half, I'm talking about like a full slip, then my step grandma, my mom, or whoever would be like, you know what, go put some clothes on. You have company in the house. That's how it was growing up. And so what I've seen is that some of these parents or adults, they just let these children run around like half clothed, knowing that company's coming by. Now, what people do inside their own homes is their personal business. I'm not trying to be judgmental and trying to tell people what to do or not to do inside of their home. But what I'm saying is, when you know you have a stranger coming to your house to deliver food or groceries or to provide a service like to fix something in your house, and you let your children run around naked or let them run around in just their underwear, maybe they're sitting on the potty in plain view for a stranger to see. And I'm not talking about in the bathroom, I'm talking about in the living room. Like, I've seen that, and I have been to homes where the moment I got there, I was dropping off a food order. The parents entered the door and the kids came right along with them, but the kids had on no clothes, or they were half clothed, and just underwear only. And these are in wealthy neighborhoods. And I've seen like where the kids just ran outside in their undies, hardly any clothes on. And so I had to check a man. He finally came out. And I think it was his little kids or whatever. I think they couldn't have been no more than maybe 3 or so. They just happened to run out, and one little girl only just had on just panties, and I was like, okay. And I know sometimes when kids try to escape, they escape. You can't really do much about that when they try to run out. But what I'm saying is, like, if you know that someone's coming by, just put some clothes on your kids. Just put some clothes on them. You know what I'm saying? And then when company leaves, or once they leave, then just do whatever you want to do in your own house. But I see a lot of this. And my thing is, there's so much that's happening in this world with children, how they're being abducted, how they're being, trafficked, how they're being physically and sexually abused and things like that. But the parents just let their kids come to the door any kind of way or walk outside any kind of way. I am such an advocate for the protection of children. And I'm not trying to make this more of what it is, but like, we see stuff happening to children all the time. Just can't fathom like how a lot of people do that. They just let their kids come to the door any kind of way. A stranger's coming to your house to provide a service for you. Just put like some pants on or a shirt or something on until they leave. It's really not that hard. I had conducted a survey over in my community section here on YouTube. I will give you guys the results of the survey and what my audience thought about this particular question. And so basically I was asked if the adults should have their children clothed when they are expecting strangers or someone to deliver products or services to their home. And here are the results. Out of 40 votes, 75% said yes, children should be fully clothed for safety reasons. 0% said no, 10% said unsure, and 10% said it's not my home, they can do as they please, and 5% said other. But I had a couple of comments, and some people were like, that's not appropriate. Like, why would you let your child come out like that? Some parents think it's okay, knowing that someone is coming by, to let their kids walk around naked like that, or half naked. And I don't think that's okay. I just don't. I just feel like it's unsafe, because you don't know who's coming to your house. You don't know who's coming to your door. And just because a person's providing service to you, you don't know their mindset, especially with them having your address. They may try to plot something. It's more of a safety thing. And some parents laugh about it. Oh, they do it all the time. They always take off their shirt. Oh, it's no big deal. And so I don't know. Like the one guy I was telling you before, like he had let his little girl come out running out with just her underwear. And she was just laughing and stuff. And he was just laughing. And so I said, sir, your little girl. He goes, oh, it's okay. Go ahead and go inside. It makes me angry when I see stuff like that. And to me, it's really not safe for the children, because we have so much that's happening nowadays with all these sickos that are just after these kids. And so with that being said, thank you for taking the time for watching this video. God bless you. Bye.